Hey there, everyone. Paul from ProShop here. Every shop I know wants more throughput. And in this week's blog, we talk about exactly that. Throughput equals revenue when you have positive sales pressure. Revenue equals profit, and profit equals growth, company valuation, building a legacy you can be proud of and give to your kids or wherever. That's really what it's all about. And when it comes to throughput, many shops get to the point where the tools they're using allow them to get good enough for now. And good enough for now is tempting because there's so many competing priorities. Believe me, I got it. I lived it for years myself. But I contend that the difference between good enough for now and pushing harder for better tools, better systems to increase throughput is one of the biggest differentiators that I see out there in shops today. And better tools and processes are one of those force multipliers that can provide a better client experience, a better employee experience, and really be either a positive upward spiral to more profitability and throughput, or a downward spiral if the systems are just killing you with lots of paper cuts all the time. But there are so many things that have to go right in order to make profit in a job shop. We're talking about planning being right, estimating being right, cutting tools, inspection plans, purchasing, outside processing. If things go sideways, you can lose money in a hurry. And of course, that kills your throughput. So having robust, efficient, digital real-time systems are so essential. And this would include tools for kitting jobs, scheduling, setup reduction, job costing, all the things that can contribute to throughput. And when all these tools are in place, results like 25% more throughput with the same machines and the same people are totally possible. And that is often the result that we see. And that type of improvement is hopefully the type of improvement that you can get excited about. And the nuance for how to drive these kinds of improvements and how to build tools that allow this to happen is really only possible, we believe, with decades of hands-on experience in the industry, what our team brings and has built in ProShop with our work orders module and all the other related ones. So that's what we're talking about today. I hope you enjoy this blog and you're inspired by the possibilities. Thank you for watching. Thank you for reading. We will see you on the next one.